Never mind. They've just got one little bright spot. I have found that the city hall has started to sink into my old dungeon underneath King George Square. Never mind what those engineers tell you. It's all my doing, the result of years of planning to undermine the city hall. Now, I suppose you're wondering what's happened to tonight's frightful movie. Well, I'm wondering what's happened to it too. It's called The Ware Case, and it concerns an English aristocratic gentleman who has marital and financial problems. And I have a feeling that it's going to be one of those dreadful movies. Frightful in that sense of the word, you know what I mean? Never mind, just settle back and prepare for the worst. I'll see you later. Well, I say it's unfair, completely unfair. How dare you know this rubbish? What sort of a movie is this? Think you get it from the Channel 7 midday movies or something? It's frightful, I won't put up with it. Oh, I'm sorry. Don't you agree, Bill, that this kind of frightful movie